The next term is population density, natality and mortality. The terms or the definition, the population density is the number of individuals of a particular species in a particular area at a particular time. Now we are specifically mentioning that particular area and time because the number of individuals of a particular species differ from one area to another depending upon the availability of space, food, favorable conditions, then time also because there may be more plants or more species of more species of vegetation during a rainy season and which may be less in the dry weather. So comparatively, it is the population density would be higher in a rainy season, would be higher for a particular for plant species in rainy season as compared to the dry weather. So here population density for the specifically if we are writing the density formula, then density is number of individuals of a species. S is for per unit of space at a particular time, and so number of individuals in a particular area per unit time. That is per unit time or at a particular time is considered as the density of that density of the population. Now, the increase in population density. How do we calculate the increase in population density? For that calculation, we are using this formula, which I'll describe after explaining these terms or the terms like immigration and emigration. So this natality. Natality is the production of new organism in a. It refers to the production of new organism in a population. If you are writing the definition, then production of new organism in a population is natality. It depends upon number of, obviously, because females are the producers of for the new offspring. So number of females in that area. Secondly, favorable conditions like food and space. Female is not for the human female. It is for the female of every species, every individual. So that number of female plus the favorable conditions like food and space is responsible for the addition of new individual in a population and resulting in the population growth. Then next is natality rate. Natality rate is number of individual added in a particular time interval. Number of individual added to a population in a particular time interval is natality rate. Number of individuals of a particular species added in a particular time interval. So this is the natality rate. Next is the mortality. Mortality or this is the mortality refers to the death. So death, decrease in population due to death of individuals. Decrease in population due to death of individual. Death may be due to a disease. Death may be due to old age or aging process. So whatever be the cause for this death, the number of death results in the decrease in population. So that decrease in population due to death of individual is termed as mortality, and it depends upon number of aging individual. Number of aging individual because the death rate would be higher in that population. Secondly, conditions like scarcity of food and struggle for survival. If there are more enemies for the particular species, then their survival, then their population would decrease. So this food and struggle for survival, all these factors are responsible for the decrease in mortality or decrease in population or mortality. Second is mortality rate. Mortality rate means number of individuals decreased due to death by time interval. Time interval. Now the next term for this is immigration and emigration. Now, immigration and emigration, both these terms are related to the permanent movement of individuals of a particular species from one area to another. One area to another, if it moves out, then it results in decrease in population. If the population moves in or from outside it enters in the population, then it results in increase in population. So from this, the formula becomes the number of individuals increase or the increase in population density is, can be described by this formula, which is nt plus 1 nt plus b plus I minus d plus e. Now what these terms are? Nt plus 1 means increase in density, increase in population density, population density. Now NT means original population, population. B means birth, I means immigration, D is for death, and E emigration. Now, for the increase in population, suppose this is the original population density, and the increase is due to birth of individuals, which is the natality. Natality. So, birth of population adds to the population density, and next thing is immigration, migration of the individuals or species from another area to that area results in increase in the population density, and that is immigration, movement of individuals of a particular species from outside to the population or to inside, that is immigration. Decrease in population density is just because of death of individuals or migration of individuals from that population to another area, and this migration must be a permanent migration, and these migration, this is termed as immigration, and these migration are to get food, space, or better conditions for the survival. For this, for food, space, and better conditions of survival, they individuals move from one area to another area, and this, if they are moving to a particular population, then it is emigration. If they are moving out from a population, then it is emigration. And immigration results in adding on the density, emigration results in decreasing the population density. So this is the formula for increase in population density. Original population plus the increase due to birth and immigration, subtracting the death and emigration from that area results in equation for this. These are the terms for the which describes about the population and its increase or its ratio.